Hello everybody. First we are going to make the crispy Streusel layer. For that we are going to need the flour, brown sugar or cane sugar, whatever you have, some salt. Mix these dry ingredients. Combine the flour, sugar, salt. So to make the Streusel, get the butter from the freezer. It's really cold, it's hard. Rub it between your fingers. Mostly it should look like breadcrumbs, that's what I like to say. So we put it in the fridge while we prepare the cake. The batter is straightforward. The flour, sugar, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Whisk it all together. Make a well in the middle and set aside. The wet ingredients, lightly beat the egg, add the buttermilk, give it a stir. Melted butter is slightly cooled. Some vanilla extract. Three large strawberries, that's fine, that's all you need. You don't want too many of them. Toss them in the flour. Pop these back into the freezer. We finish with the cake, the dry ingredient mixture. Just pour the wet ingredients. Fold. Do not overmix. That's it. Strawberries go inside now. Streusel mixture from the fridge. Make sure your oven is preheated. If it's not, preheat it now. It doesn't have to be perfect because the Streusel will move around as the cake bakes. It will rise. This looks good. Now we pop into the oven without too much waiting for 40 minutes or so. It looks perfectly baked, but now it has to cool in the pan for at least 20 minutes. There it is, nice and easy. And peel off the paper. Let it cool completely now. It looks wonderful. It looks perfect. Here, I sliced it a bit more so you can see the inside. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.